All right, guys, we haven't gone and done a lot of walking with Duke lately, but we're going to go take a walk at Penny's Nature Preserve. We just heard him talking on the radio. They put some more trails in and stuff, and we've driven by this place on 15 a bunch of times, but we didn't think there was any place to park and walk through it. And we just found out you got to go behind it, and on Ashbacher Road, there's an access, so we're gonna go check it out. Let's go. All right, here's where you can park at, and we found a trail that we're gonna try to walk down. Although it is very wet today, let's go see what we can see. This is exciting. New place for us. The sign's been weathered, but it says welcome. The Penny Nature Center, 78 acres of outdoor ventures to discover throughout the year. The center named for the Penny family, who generously donated the land to the Soil and Water Conservation District. The center has a variety of natural habitats. Please minimize your impact by following these important guidelines. Stay on the trails, enjoy natural areas, but stay on the motor gravel paths. Leave what you find, enjoy the colors, but don't pick the wildflowers. Enjoy the beauty, observe from a distance, and keep it clean. Enjoy walking, bird watching, nature study, and other quiet activities. The following will have negative impact on the plant and animal communities found here. Dogs, bicycles, motor vehicles, ATVs, snowmobiles, hunting, fishing, camping, fires, horses, collecting. They say dogs, but I'm going to try to pick up his waste and not let him chase anything. So he goes everywhere with us. He's not really a dog. He's kind of part of the family. Because they say you're detrimental to the environment here, Duke. Got some birdhouses over there and some cut paths. Now, I'm not in my boots. We're kind of in between work right now. We're heading over to start a new project on this job we've been doing. And we just picked some stuff up in Defiance, and this is right on our way, so thought we'd take a quick walk. So I'm not sure how much of this we'll get, and it's really windy out here. I don't even know if you can hear me. So probably put some music over this and just let you see what we see, unless it gets too muddy, and then we'll turn around and come back. I think there's frogs, maybe.
Swampy over there.
Deer tracks. Deer tracks right down here, through here. Can you hear the frogs? Ooh, it's getting wet. Whoop. Come on. Ooh, I'm getting wet. Soupy. My feet are wet. Alright, I'm not going anymore. Actually, it looks like it gets dry right after this. Can you walk around the outside? Looks like the wettest part right there. Maybe. We gotta get them over to this side. Okay. Really swampy back there. We're supposed to get a bunch of rain. Has warmed up, but we're We're supposed to get like 5 or 6 days of rain.
I don't like that feeling. My feet are all wet.
I know, mine too. The good thing is we have to walk back through it. Oh, another wet spot. Well, I don't even think we're going to get up to the nature preserve part, and we'll have to come back and do this in the spring. Sometime when it's not so wet out. Look at those deer tracks. There, you can see it. That's a buck. See? 2 back here, and then the front. Big old deer. Look how wide that one is. Big print. Big deer's back here, man.
It's louder.
Yeah, the frogs get louder back here. I think that's all like marsh right through there. It's where we came from. And then you got swamp right here. I don't think we're gonna try to go through that. And they ask you to stay on the path, so that's probably as far as we're gonna go. We're gonna head back now. But there's a trail on the other side too that's I think rocks. You see it goes right by the house. You can kind of see it over there. And there's another house back there, and a house up here, and a house over here. But all the trees look real young, and it looks like they got a bunch planted. So this will be a nice little area to walk around, spend some time in nature, coming this spring, this summer, and over the next few years. But yeah, I'd definitely come with boots or sometime when it's a little drier.
They're walking on me.
Oh, mud. Well, this is fun. Alright, so Tammy's shoes are a little wet, a little muddy. Mine are a little wet, a little muddy.
Socks are wet.
My socks are wet though. Not too muddy though. Just too wet out right now.
Tomorrow for sure.
Alright, so we're gonna drive around this way and just see what is on this side. The area that we couldn't, I was trying to show you when we were walking. Now this is the next day. We're over here getting more stuff. And it's kind of rainy and dreary today, but let's just see what this side has. I thought maybe this was a driveway to the houses, but maybe there's some paths or walkways off of here, and we'll just drive down through here and see. So right over that way is where we were walking, just on the other side of that marsh over here. Let's see if I can get you turned just a little bit. So that tree line over there is where we were walking, right up along there. I can hear the frogs. Let's see, I'll just roll this window down. Maybe you guys can hear them. Red-winged blackbird. Hear it? Wah wee. There's where the frogs get real loud. All you probably hear is Duke breathing. If you can even see. Ooh, there's a hawk. This is loud. Okay.
Buck Run Trail.
Buck Run Trail, and it's paved. So I'll pull over and walk it. Let's go down to this pavilion. We might come back and walk this someday. So there's a trail here. It says Penny Lane Trail, but that doesn't look paved yet. Then there's a marker over here. There's another trail.
From here, Old Oak Trail.
Here's the Old Oak Trail. That one's not paved yet. There's a pavilion here. You could stay and eat or whatever. Penny Nature Trail, owned and operated by the Defiance Soil and Water Conservation District. Couple trails and signs out that way. They look real soupy right now. And then a big open field area. More frogs. So a lot bigger than we thought. I think we were on the service trail. This is really the park back here. If you really want to take the drive.
Go in the woods, even.
And yeah, some of the trails go in the woods. What's that one called? Old Oak Trail. So we're definitely going to come back and do some of these trails later. We're going to go down this paved one though, just see what it's like and see how wet it is. Alright, that one's not paved either. It's just paved right here, and then it goes to a regular trail. It does look higher than the rest, but I think we're going to hold off to a drier day. So look for the next vlog where we do Penny's Nature Center, and we'll do some of these trails. We'll do the vlog on the trails themselves. All right, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for coming along.
Peace out.
Say bye, dude. You gonna say bye, dude?
Goodbye.
Okay, that was the Penny Nature Center, just outside of Defiance, just off of 15. And remember, the entrance is on Ashbacher Road. Well, we truly hope you enjoyed that. We want to thank everyone who watches our videos, hits that like button, and leaves us a comment. We want to give a special thanks to our Patreon supporters, because that extra help goes a long way. Their links are in our description. We'll see you guys next time.
Peace out.